when I went to Publix, I found some candles, you know. I'm not really into the summer candle scents. I'm definitely more of, no, not really into summer and spring, I should say. I would prefer fall and winter candles.
Me too.
Yeah, the warm, baked goods.
Yeah. Like I love like that cinnamon pumpkin pancake. I don't know, but like the pumpkin. The flavors are so good. Or like the just the Christmas flavors. Like I don't know how to explain it.
Exactly, like
even
the
like
sugar
the woody.
cookies. Yeah, the pine. Yes, the cedar. All those smells are really nice. But I did find some lavender candles that were really cool. That were really different. That made you change your mind. Now, a scent that a lot of people never think about, but one of the best scents if you like gourmand scents, but you want something more for the summer and spring, try lavender vanilla.
Let me smell it. It's very fresh. But it still has that like sweet hint to it.
Exactly. Vanilla and lavender go so good together, and actually vanilla is such a good accent. So I mean, it goes good with rose, it goes good with any type of floral. So vanilla is a really great candle to mix as well. So even if you don't have that lavender vanilla candle, you just have a lavender candle and you put on a vanilla candle, you'll probably like it. And then try, this is lavender sea salt by the same brand.
It smells very beachy.
Exactly. Nobody would ever think in a million years that lavender and sea salt would be a scent they should go for. I mean, or whatever. But I mean, it works. It works so well. It smells like a beach. It has lavender. It's not too oceany though. So you know how sometimes those ocean scents, they're just kind of like, what's the word I'm looking for? Forgettable.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, yeah, it's pretty nice, but forgettable. This kind of stops that, changes that a lot, because now you got that lavender, so it's kind of cooling, it's kind of like, it's soothing you, it's relaxing you, and then you still got that sea salt beachy smell. So actually between these two, I think I prefer this one.
Really?
Yeah.
I think I prefer this one a little bit.
Lavender vanilla. Yep. Well, but lavender vanilla, I mean, you can't go wrong with that.
Yeah, you can. It's like a perfect balance. But that one is really good though.
Different.